Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to do a short video on how I achieve my high puffs. My hair is about 5 days old from an old braid out, and I'm not really ready to wash my hair yet, so I'm gonna try to preserve it with this puff. It's really simple to do, super easy, and it's definitely like a go-to. So if you want to see how I achieve this, keep on watching. Alright guys, so the products I used in this video were water, oil of choice, Shea Moisture Curl and Style Milk, Eco Styler Gel, bristle board brush, and Denman brush, and also you'll need a pick. Alright, so like I said in my intro, I'm starting off on old 5-day hair, which I did a braid out. So basically I'm just going to start off with water and just spray the perimeter of my hair just so I can get it ready to apply my products. Okay, so now I'm using some grapeseed oil that I had got from my local beauty supply store. You really can use any oil of choice for this look, but basically I'm just smoothing it through my hair right now. Okay, so now I'm just going to use my Shea Moisture Curl and Style Milk just to help with extra moisture for the next few days with this style. And I'm just taking my Denman brush just to help smooth out any kinks that I've had, just to help prep before I apply my Eco Styler Gel. Okay, so I do apply a generous amount of Eco Styler Gel to the perimeter of my hair. Eco Styler Gel has literally became my best friend in my natural hair journey. I really don't know where I'd be without it. Okay, so basically I just take my bristle brush and smooth out the perimeter of my hair before I use my hair tie. So since my hair has gotten a lot longer, I actually can get away with just using a regular hair tie, and I just wrap it around my hair 2 times because I don't want it too tight. But basically in the beginning of my hair journey, when my hair is a lot shorter, I actually used to use a shoestring to create my puffs and basically use it as a drawstring. And it made my hair just look super full, and I might do a video about that a little bit later. So for this look, I definitely do prefer to lay my edges, but it is optional. So right now I'm just using a edge brush that I bought from my local beauty supply store. I believe it was about $2, maybe $3. But it definitely helps. I mean, you also can use a toothbrush as well. normally right here, this is where I would use my pick if I really wanted big hair, but today I'm just gonna go for just a messy puff. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching.